Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable portable hotspot on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, open the control center on your laptop by clicking on one of these three icons on the taskbar. Then make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to any other type of network, and then click this down arrow icon to go to the next page. And here you'll find the mobile hotspot. If you just click this icon once, you will enable the portable hotspot and all the devices around you will be able to connect to it. But if you want to configure your portable hotspot and get to know its password, right-click this icon, select Go to Settings. In this settings, you can also enable or disable your mobile hotspot by switching this toggle to the left or to the right. Then here you can also select where you want to get your internet connection from. In my case, only the Wi-Fi option is available. And now we can also choose which way we want to share our network, either using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. We can enable or disable power saving. And when the power saving mode is enabled, after some time of inactivity, the mobile hotspot will be switched off. If it's disabled, it will work until laptop shuts down or goes to sleep. Now in properties, we can change the name, password, and band of the network, and you can also quickly connect to this network by scanning this QR code. Now, if you tap Edit, you'll be able to change the network name in this field, change the network password in this one, and change the network band by expanding this list and selecting either 2.4 or 5 gigahertz or any available band. You click Save, and that's basically it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.